about 12 hours of travelling, I finally made it to Lisbon, Portugal. Oh my word, what a long trip that was. Now I'm just trying to gather my bearings a little bit. I have no idea where I am. I'm guessing some sort of central somewhere, I don't know, but these buildings are gorgeous. As I'm looking like a really obvious tourist right now, I'm gonna stop recording and just walk around the street and see where, just find out where I am, find out where my hostel is. So yeah, let's do this. Ow! Well, it's just what I expect from any European city. It's big, it's just spacious, it's gorgeous, it's wonderful. The buildings are everywhere, it's just wonderful. It's just the streets down there. Oh, I'm gonna have fun in this city, I can tell you that now. I've got to find my hostel now. My hostel's named something like Home Lisbon or something like that. I know I'm going in the right direction, but yeah, I've just spent about half an hour jumping on different metro lines. When I say many different metro lines, I mean 2 whole metro lines. So yeah, no, it's fine. I always just blag it and just see how it goes. So, oh, look at that building. Woo! Look at that motherfucker! For me, it's just mental, absolutely mental. There's so much to see. The city is huge. I know it's the capital of Portugal, but still, it's just huge. So, yeah, taking a pit stop, coffee. I found the hostel in the end, but I need to go back there at 3:30. So I've left most of my luggage there. But the essentials I've got with me, I'm sweating. So yeah, just found some random cafeteria, some little bar somewhere. It's always fun speaking Portuguese, so you accidentally say gracias. Oh well, all the fun. Not bad at all. Got my hostel, I'm all just settling in now. So the views of the city. Not bad, and I don't really know what I'm doing yet. I've got at least a few days here. Might stay a few more days, I don't know yet, but I've got at least a few days here in Lisbon. So we'll see what happens. Completely forgot to bring a big lock, so I had to rent a tiny lock, which I don't feel comfortable with. Nice big lock like that I want, or one like that. So I do have to go now and find a big lock, because I do not want that little lock to be my source of security for all my possessions. Mate, look at all these flavours. So that's the pistachio. Como se diz? Sorvete de Ferrero Rocher, por favor. To this place. That is huge. What is that? Obrigado. Aqui. Oh mate. Oh mate. Muito obrigado. Ciao. Well, it's melted to shit, but yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. I'm actually in love with this city, honestly. I'm going to Porto in the next couple of days, or Porto, and I don't really want to leave this city, to be honest. It's a breathtaking city.